Hi, I'm Ali Raza. I'm Division Head IT Solution and Services at Daraz, Pakistan. Currently, I'm working with Alibaba Cloud team in order to establish their footprint in Pakistan's local market. Daraz is an online marketplace and logistics company which operates in the markets of Southeast Asia. Launched in 2012, Daraz is the preferred online shopping and selling destination in South Asia, with locations in Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Supported by a wide range of tailored marketing, data and services solutions, the company offers a diverse assortment of products across all categories. Focused on providing an excellent customer experience, it offers multiple payment methods including cash on delivery, comprehensive customer care and hassle-free returns. In 2018, Daraz was acquired by Alibaba Group, making it the South Asian's e-commerce platform and an important part of Alibaba global strategic goals. Since Pakistan is an emerging market, the IT needs are growing exponentially and there are not many options available locally as well. So there are certain challenges related to the procurement of IT infrastructure and cloud services. For example, expertise in certain applications, limited network bandwidth, information security awareness and the government policies and regulations. Daraz, being 100% acquired by Alibaba Group, is offering Alibaba Cloud Services platform for the local market of Pakistan to fulfill the gap of globally recognized CSP availability and services. Alibaba Cloud is ranked first in the Asia Pacific by Gartner in its April 2020 report and the world's top 3 cloud service provider and the number 1 in Asia Pacific and China region for the 3rd consecutive year. Their strong performance in the data management solutions in China and investment in emerging markets are acknowledged as making Alibaba Cloud as an emerging global player. While working with local CSPs, we have observed lack of technical expertise and knowledge when it comes to providing customized solutions to the prospective customers. And by looking at the portfolio of the services of Alibaba Cloud, we can easily say that all of their solutions and products are made as per the market demands and the customer requirements. And there are a lot of customization options available. Alibaba Cloud offers a lot of proprietary solutions which fulfill customer needs and demands. We are getting quite positive response from the local market and are engaged with a lot of potential customers on several simple and complex solutions. Simple solutions such as Alibaba Mail solution for a large manufacturing concern with more than 500 plus users, as well as the complex solutions like Apsara DB, Polar DB and some other supported database solutions which is to be matured in the coming months. Alibaba Cloud need to focus more on information security related solutions specifically related to Pakistani local market such as hosted SIEM and SOC and also solutions related to artificial intelligence, machine learning and the online gaming solutions. Alibaba Cloud team is very well versed with the solutions and pertaining to the local market and very much cooperative when it comes to contacting them in offers. We plan to partner with Alibaba Cloud for its local data center presence in Pakistan in order to capture the large potential of the market segment when it comes to financial sector and especially the public sector, since Pakistani government is working on the first digital policy for the Pakistan IT sector. So we need a physical data center of Alibaba Cloud over here in Pakistan in order to reap the benefits of these potential in Pakistan. We also plan to initiate the same business model in other countries where Daraz is located such as Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Bangladesh. It has been a great experience working with the Alibaba Cloud team so far. Didn't feel any difficulty when it comes to approaching them in different time zones. However, the working process should be more customized for each region such that dedicated account managers should be assigned for every region. Alibaba Cloud should focus more on increasing their physical presence in building their local data center, specifically in the Southeast Asian region, in order to reap the benefits of the growing IT needs and the growing economy. Alibaba should also try to leverage their expertise in setting up the incubation center, especially in these regions, in order to help the startups, since the governments are also supporting the startups and initiating a digital policy for the Pakistani IT sector. Thank you so much for hearing me out and I'm looking forward to working with Alibaba Cloud team with the same pace and energy.